Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem we're asked what value of x satisfies the equation 3x plus 3 is equal to 27. So just rewriting this equation right here, the way we solve this equation is we want to isolate x. So the first thing we can do is if we subtract 3 from both sides, then these cancel out, right? 3 minus 3 is just 0, which leaves us with just 3x on this side is equal to 27 minus 3 is equal to 24, right? Subtracting the same number from both sides keeps the equation the same, and we can continue to find our value of x. In a similar way, we want to get x alone, so we can divide by 3. Again, you have to do it on both sides to keep things even. But then these will cancel, and you're just left with 1x. So x is equal to 24 divided by 3, which is 8. So what value of x satisfies the equation? X is equal to 8. B is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.